Have you ever wondered what is the planet where you live? This little world where you live, this simple habitat that you, the man, has taken and that you can now call home. This is Live Planet. The planet Earth, with all its enormous station, has 3/4 only of water. Located at a quarter distance from the sun, the Earth can conserve water in a liquid state. Thanks to change, we are live. Water is necessary for all kinds of life. Without water, this planet was dead, including us. Many people think that having so much water is almost impossible to be over. But what they do not know is that most of that water is salty. This type of water cannot be used for consumption or for agricultural purposes. Caring, protecting, and conserving what little fresh water we have left is a way to help sustain humanity. What will happen if the water dries tomorrow? This video is to prevent that one day water becomes the most abundant resources in the world.
In the world, there is a precious liquid for everybody. I'm not talking about oil. I'm talking about water. It is as necessary for us that we couldn't live more than 72 hours without it. But what is the water? In this video, you will find it.
Its substance has not color, smell, and taste. You can find in almost pure in the environment, in rivers, lakes, and oceans. It takes up 3/4 from air. Life originated in water and it continues to depend on it. This happens because water is an unusual substance. It is liquid under normal condition when it should be gas, and its solid form float on its liquid form when it should be the opposite. Its liquid form looks more like a solid than an ordinary liquid. Only water can have these phases.
All we need is water, and we have the lucky of can use it in every house without limitations. But not all the people have the same lucky.
Four out of 10 in this world don't have access to the bathroom, and almost 2 out of 10 don't have access to drink water. Every year, millions of people, principally kids, die by diseases related to water supply, malnutrition, and heat.
This is the reason to take care of the water. Is that right, Brenda? Yes, my dear Samara, and these tips can help us to take care of the water.
Some recommendation for water care: wash dishes with little water. Turn off the tap when you brush your teeth. This can save 6 liters of water per minute. Turn off the taps. Don't let your water consumption run out of control. Install a water butt to your drain pit and use it to water your plants, clean your car, and wash your window. Take a shorter shower. Showers can use anything between 6 and 45 liters per minute. Considering that the water is essential for every organism in this world, including humans, we have to take care of it.
Otherwise, the water is a limited resource. There is only the 2% of drinking water. For that reason, all we have the deep compromise with this precious liquid in the world. Finally, we all have to acquire a compromise to the environment, because if still polluting the water. We will have, the future generations. Let's think about it. What we will do without water?
It's time to go to meet each other, because the most important thing is not how much water is sit on the earth, but also how much we have left. Lakes, glaciers, rivers, and oceans. We know there are solutions. We all have the power to change. It's up to us to write what happens next. Together.